Okay, we're starting right from the key switch. You follow all these wires down, right here. That plug goes to the stator. That plug goes to the regulator rectifier. And this bolts right beside the regulator rectifier. It's a ground. And this wire here comes out of the switch. Goes to the neutral safety switch. It goes to the shifter. Then it goes on over to the deck engagement safety switch, which then in turn goes up to the solenoid. So both of these, this has to be in neutral, the shifter does, and the engagement has to be off in order for it to let it start. And of course, obviously, the heavy wire goes to the battery, and then this goes on up to the voltage regulator, or the amp gauge on the positive side, and then comes off to that and goes up to this box here, which is like a 12-volt little safety thing, which goes to the light switch. And the pink one is the hot wires. It goes to the headlights. And then the ground wires, which goes to the other part of the headlights, and then that grounds to the chassis. And then your yellow one there goes to your tail light, to the tractor, which goes right back up to the switch. And then obviously on your negative side there, after this wire that goes to the headlight switch, then it goes right back up to the switch, which gives juice to all this. And that should clarify that whole thing. Well, all this is for is just the wiring harness. And everything worked on this, as you'll see in the other video. I mean, as far as all the switches, all the safety switches, everything worked. Even the key switch, amp gauge, and so forth. Solenoid. I'm going to go ahead and remove all them pieces. I just want to leave them to all the wires so you can see that all the ends is on it. Even like this plugs right into the tail light. It was all taken out. It was all professionally taken out, so there's no missing ends or anything. I'll remove, like I said, I'll remove the key switch and all the little other ones. I'm going to place them separately on eBay. That's it.